Welcome guys. So just give you a quick update. It's been a while. We've been busy working on the shop, and the reason is we have a motion sensor. Let me walk through the shop pretty quick. We have a deadline now. We're throwing a party for friends and family and vendors and anybody that's involved with Era, and we're moving on the paint, and we're moving along, but it's not. We've had an opportunity to do a little bit more when we were slower, but now we started piling up on projects, and that's the primary focus right now. So we're doing everything in between the projects, and the team stepped it up a lot. Like I've mentioned before, I have a very amazing team with the amount of hours and commitment they put in to help out with projects and making this shop everybody's fun place to be and work. So we're excited for the party. We'll share with everybody what we were working on, and that's our deadline. We're trying to finish everything as much as we can to have that done. So we're adding some space for tires and products we're gonna carry for customers, and we got some more right here that we're gonna put in a lot more product, just so we don't have to we can stack up, and then we don't have to run a lot to get them. But everything is going smooth. We've had some smaller projects. We're just taking one step at a time. It's been great as far as workflow, and hopefully it'll stay that way. But as far as trucking, pretty flat, nothing crazy. Volumes are still there, but mid-September, so that should have been I think a little bit busier. But thank you for watching. I appreciate you taking your time, and subscribe if you haven't, and talk to you soon.